Softorino. Tiny apps that make a gigantic difference.
PicFindr. Finding royalty-free images is something that we all do when creating content and making designs. PicFindr is a go-to app for royalty-free image search from multiple online sources, all in one app. We have emotions, we have colors, we have categories. I type, say, apple, and here are many images of apples. My daughter loves PicFindr because this is an exploration of visuals for any given word. Let's specify. I type green apple on a table, and here's exactly what I need. All information is at hand. The author, the size, the source, and you can download it directly by clicking the download button while selecting the proper size and format. I can create a collection by clicking right here and say for Apple's article. And then I can go ahead and add Apple pictures by clicking on the heart icon right here. This is PicFindr.